Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the types of classes. Firstly, I will tell about class, means what is class. A class is a group of words that forms a part of sentence and has a subject and finite verb of its own. Come to the point, noun class. A class is that performs the function of a noun is a noun class, means जो क्लास नाउन का फंक्शन अदा करती है वो नाउन क्लास कहलाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही थॉट दैट हिज डॉग वॉज लॉस्ट, मीन्स ही थॉट, उसने सोचा, वट क्या, यह वट से क्वेश्चन पुटअप होगा. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ही थॉट ऑफ ए न्यू प्लान. हियर ऑफ ए न्यू प्लान इज फ्रेज, नॉट ए क्लास. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, noun clause is the subject of a verb. All that he said, was agreed by all. All that he said was agreed by all. Here all that he said is a noun clause as the subject of a verb was. Next point, noun clause is the object of a verb. I hope, मुझे उम्मीद है, what क्या, that the experiment would be successful. Noun clause as the object of the verb hope. Here noun clause started with that and ended with successful. Next point, noun clause as the object of the preposition to. You should listen to what he is saying. Noun clause is the object of preposition to. What he is saying. Underlined words are the noun clause of as the object of the preposition. A noun clause can also act as the object of an infinitive or the object of a participle also. A noun clause is generally introduced by that, means Sania said that she was attending the party. It may also be introduced by the question like why, what and how also. Sania wondered why Sonia did not call her. Next point, what? She wondered what the matter was. Next, when. I knew when he could call. A noun clause may also be introduced by whether or if, यानी कि whether or if से भी इंट्रोड्यूस की जा सकती है noun clause. For example, they wanted to know if we were interested. Whether point. Sohan asked me whether I would play with him. Some features of noun clause. A noun clause performs the function of a noun. यानी कि noun clause जो है वह फंक्शन किसका करती है, नाउन का. इट एक्ट्स एज द सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए प्रीपोजिशन, एन इन्फिनेटिव और ए पार्टिसिपल्स. इट मे बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दैट, इफ, वेदर, व्हाई, हाउ एंड व्हाट also. Next point we will discuss about adjective clause. An adjective clause, a clause that performs the role of an adjective is in a sentence is an adjective clause. यानी कि जो क्लास एडजेक्टिव का रोल अदा करती है वो एडजेक्टिव क्लास कहलाती है. एंड ऑलवेज एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब्ड ए नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर ए पप्पी विच हैज़ white dots. Here puppy is described by the adjective clause which has white dots. Next, some features of an adjective clause. An adjective clause performs the function of an adjective and describes a noun or pronoun. It is introduced by a relative pronoun, that, who, which, where, etc. The word who and whom are used for living beings. The boy who is wearing a red shirt is Johan. Who refers to the boy, and boy is the noun and it is living being, so we will use who. adjective conjunction here by joining the both clauses. The book which Sohan gave me is the best, which refers to the book, and book is also a noun, and noun described by the adjective. The word that is used for both living and non-living beings, means that conjunction living being and non-living दोनों के लिए यूज किया जाता है. The pen that I lost was found by G. That refers to the pen. Relative pronoun where refers to place. For example, he remembered the place where he met his cousins. Sometimes the introducing word may be omitted altogether. यानी कि कई बार कंजक्शन जो है वो omit कर दिया जाता है, omission कर दिया जाता है कंजक्शन का. This is the school I studied in. अब यहाँ that भी यूज हो सकता था, that I studied in. This is the school that I studied in. It will have both types, means without conjunction or conjunction. Next point we will discuss about an adverb clause. An adverb clause. A clause that performs the role of an adverb is called an adverb clause. एक क्लास जब एडवर्ब का फंक्शन करती है तो एडवर्ब क्लास कहलाती है. द मैन रैन एज इफ सम वाज चेजिंग हिम. हियर एज इफ से स्टार्ट एडवर्ब क्लास एंड एंडेड विद हिम. Adverb clause have many types, subtypes, so we'll discuss about subtypes of adverb clause. An adverb clause performs the function of an adverb. An adverb clause can be the following types: time, place, manner, and region, and other also. Adverb clause of time is the clause that shows time of an action indicated by the verb. Means verb के द्वारा time की तरफ indicate किया जाता है इसमें. For example, the guest left when the rain stopped. It is introduced by when, while, whenever, after, before, since, etc. Adverb clause of place. When the clause shows the place of action, it is called an adverb clause of place. My pet dog moves about the park whenever he likes. Here, not whenever, wherever. Okay, it is introduced by where. Whenever means wherever, not whenever. Adverb clause of manner. An adverb clause of manner shows the manner of an action. यानी कि एक्शन का जो मैनर होता है, किसी भी कार्य को करने का तरीका जो होता है, वो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर में इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. इट अपीयर्स एज इफ ही वॉज सिक. इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाई एज, सो, एज इफ, एज दो, इन द वे दैट और हाउ. एडवर्ब क्लास ऑफ रीजन. दिस क्लास शोज द रीजन बिहाइंड द एक्शन. मीन्स इस क्लास में वर्ब के पीछे कोई रीजन होता है, कारण होता है, इसलिए इसको एडवर्ब क्लास ऑफ रीजन बोला जाता है. सी वेंट टू द पार्क सिंस देयर वॉज नो वन इन द हाउस. इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाई बिकॉज, सिंस, एज और दैट. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस some sentences of adverb clause. You should not talk when I am teaching in class. Here adverb clause started from when and ended with class. I joined the book club when I was in the 6th grade. Here an adverb clause started from here and ended with grade. I plant trees wherever I find some suitable place. Means adverb clause introduced from here and ended with place. Next point. He is not coming with us since he has not finished his homework. Here adverb clause started from here and it ended with homework. Thanks. Have a nice day.